So here we are performing the channeling of the salpingopharyngeal fold on the left side. So with the Ultra SP wand, we enter the salpingopharyngeal fold in the lower part. After entering, we pull it medially. Pull it medially to bring it away from the carotid artery, and then do the channeling. For around 8 to 10 seconds, and while coming out we go on to coagulation and remove the wand. Suction please. Make sure that you do not create a lot of raw area in this area. Now for the other side, we can go on from the other side. You can try from this side also. Let me go to the other side. This patient, as you can see, has already been operated before somewhere else for the nasal surgery. Now we are performing the channeling of the salpingopharyngeal fold on the right side. So after going inside, ablation for around 8 to 10 seconds in the lower part of the salpingopharyngeal fold. And while coming out, go on to coagulation and gently withdraw. So we do not create a raw area for it to cicatrize. The right side is done much more perfectly than the left side, because you can see the exit hole, which should not happen. The correct thing is to do as it has been done on the right side. Thank you very much for watching.